I feel the opposite of my character. I am not worried at all. I am so excited to be a part of this. When I got this call, I was like, wait, are you sure you're calling the right person? Because this is kind of my dream job, because I was obsessed with the Smurfs when I was a kid. So I'm absolutely in awe of this whole situation. This is so cool. The most fun part about doing voiceover work for an animated film is getting to be in sweatpants, baby. You can get in there, wear sweatpants, be as crazy as you want, because I'm pretty crazy and sometimes I have to rein it in when cameras are on me. Sorry. But when you're in the booth, you can kind of just be the most insane version of yourself and wear sweatpants. So that's kind of a huge win. I'm just excited to go to the theater with my kids because it's one of the most fun things to do in the world, like watching my son be in the theater and eat his popcorn and drink an icy and watch something amazing like this on the screen. There's like no better thing to do with your kids in the world, and I'm just so excited that I get to do that with my kids because my kids don't get to watch my movies. So this was a big win for me.